The same mRNA technology that gave us COVID vaccines just hit a milestone nobody expected this soon. Moderna just reported the first positive phase 3 results for a personalized cancer vaccine, one that's custom-built for each patient's unique tumor. This changes cancer treatment forever. For decades, cancer treatment meant surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation, blunt tools that attack healthy cells alongside cancerous ones. Immunotherapy changed the game by training your immune system to recognize cancer, but it still works broadly. What if you could give your immune system a precise target list every unique mutation in your specific tumor? That's exactly what mRNA neoantigen therapy does. Moderna and Merck have been developing this approach since their earlier phase trials showed remarkable promise. Today, they've crossed the threshold that matters most in medicine, phase 3 success. On August 19, 2026, Noubar Afeyan, co-founder and chairman of Moderna, announced that their mRNA neoantigen therapy has achieved positive results in a phase 3 clinical trial for melanoma. Phase 3 is the gold standard. It means the treatment was tested on a large group of patients in a rigorous, controlled study. This is the first time any personalized mRNA cancer vaccine has reached this milestone. The therapy, developed in partnership with Merck, uses the same fundamental mRNA platform that produced billions of COVID-19 vaccine doses. Here's where the technology becomes extraordinary. Step 1. A sample of the patient's tumor is sequenced. Algorithms analyze the tumor's DNA and identify up to dozens of unique mutations, called neoantigens, that exist only in that patient's cancer cells. Step 2. A computational pipeline designs mRNA sequences that encode these neoantigens. This is essentially writing custom genetic instructions. Step 3. Those mRNA instructions are manufactured into a vaccine, typically within weeks. Step 4. The vaccine is injected into the patient. Their cells read the mRNA instructions and produce the neoantigen proteins on their surface. Step 5. The immune system sees these proteins, recognizes them as foreign, and mounts a targeted attack against any cell displaying them, which means only the cancer cells. The result is a vaccine that is literally unique to each patient. No two doses are alike. The computational challenge of identifying the right neoantigens and designing effective mRNA sequences is enormous. This is where AI and machine learning play a critical role in making the approach practical at scale. Phase 3 success matters because it's the final major hurdle before regulatory approval. If these results hold up to peer review and FDA scrutiny, we could see the first approved personalized cancer vaccine within the next few years. But the implications go far beyond melanoma. The mRNA platform is modular. The same computational pipeline that identifies melanoma neoantigens can be applied to lung cancer, colorectal cancer, pancreatic cancer, any solid tumor with identifiable mutations. We're looking at a future where a cancer diagnosis is followed not just by chemotherapy, but by a vaccine designed specifically for your cancer, manufactured in weeks, and administered alongside immunotherapy. The earlier phase 2 results showed this combination reduced the risk of cancer recurrence compared to immunotherapy alone. Phase 3 confirmation means this isn't just promising, it works. What happens next is regulatory review. Moderna and Merck will submit the full phase 3 data for peer review and file for regulatory approval. If approved, the manufacturing challenge is significant. Each dose is unique, requiring individual tumor sequencing and custom mRNA production. But Moderna scaled mRNA manufacturing to billions of doses during the pandemic, and that infrastructure is now being repurposed. The computational pipeline, the AI that identifies the right targets, gets better with every patient treated. We're watching the convergence of genomics, artificial intelligence, and mRNA technology produce something that was science fiction a decade ago. The same platform that produced a pandemic vaccine in record time has now shown it can fight cancer on a personalized level. This isn't a cure for all cancer, not yet, but it's the most significant proof that mRNA technology's true potential goes far beyond infectious disease. If you want to stay updated on how AI and biotechnology are reshaping medicine, subscribe. I'll keep covering these developments as they unfold.